Hey guys, I'm going to show you all of the zombie Easter eggs that have been found so far in the Blackout mode for Black Ops 4. There are definitely a lot of hints of zombies in this mode. It seems like they definitely want to support the zombies community, and they did put in some weapons that you can find in some of the locations. So far in the lighthouse, Varuk, this cemetery right here that I'm going to transit, and the boxing ring from Shadows of Evil, you can find a beam of light going down into that location, and you'll find a mystery box. In these mystery box locations, you can get certain weapons like the MP40 and also the Galil. I really haven't seen anything other than those two that are really significant. The two weapons that you can obtain that are special to zombies are monkey bombs and also the ray gun, and you only get the ray gun from killing zombies around these mystery box locations. There's two ways to get monkey bombs. There's usually quite a few laying around the ground in these zombie specific locations, and these zombies, when you kill them, will also drop them. To get a zombie to drop one of the ray guns is kind of rare, and you only get 20 shots. Now these are really powerful against other players, and you can see right here I can definitely kill zombies with them, but I can also make crawlers. I thought that was interesting. Now it's a very good possibility that we're going to need the ray gun to unlock one of the premise characters, so Richtof and Takio, Nikolai, or Dempsey. We might have to obtain the ray gun and then get a certain amount of zombie kills or even player kills and then finish in the top 10, or maybe even be the last man standing and getting the last kill with the ray gun. Right here I picked up a monkey bomb from one of the zombies, and yeah, they definitely make the zombies hoard up around them. They do explode and they will kill some of the zombies and then turn some of them into crawlers. You can definitely hold a few of these monkey bombs. I haven't been able to find enough to see what the limit is on them. Moving on to some of the visual zombie Easter eggs. These are the Easter eggs that are not interactable but are just there to, reference zombies. But it could be possible that they could be interactable in the future if they're going to be connected to unlocking the special characters. So to start off, if you go to the Varuk location on Blackout, there is a cemetery, the main Varuk building, and then a house behind it. And in this house, there's a couple of teddy bears, and one of them is inside this really creepy cage that has some bones sitting on a mattress. It's definitely a really strange scene. There's another teddy bear in the main Varuk building in a wheelchair, and then there's another one that is located on top of the roof right here. And it kind of makes us think that maybe these will be interactable in the future because they do have one on the roof. There's another one on a piano in the main building, and then that building behind the main Varuk building does have one on the floor next to this door. So far I've only seen 5 teddy bear locations. There could be some more laying around, but it seems like Varuk is the only place that does have teddy bears. Also, if you're around these zombies locations, you can hear the zombie round change music. Not sure what triggers it. It could just be random. I'll let you guys listen. In Varuk, you can actually trigger the Easter egg song that originally existed on Varuk called Lullaby of a Dead Man. You just flush this first toilet here 3 times, and in the courtyard area, there's going to be a speaker playing the song. The next zombie Easter egg location is in the Nuketown Island. There are some bunker entrances that you can drop down into, and a pretty big underground bunker system that you can walk around in. One area of it is a diner, and if you listen really closely, it is playing the transit loading screen song. Also, underground in the bunker area, there's like a game room with some pinball machines and a pool table. And over here, there is the portrait from Derizen that shows the king and his wolves that's tied to the wolf bow Easter egg. If you go above ground on Nuketown Island, you can walk around in all these houses in the suburban area. And in all of the houses, there's a clock, and all of the clocks are set to 1:15. Then, if you go towards the Call of the Dead lighthouse, there's a gas station close by. And on the outside and inside of the building, there's a pretty big sign that says Holly Cream Cakes. And this is linked to Shadows of Evil, and there's actually an Easter egg that is linked to this sign where you can get those cream cakes or donut trip mines. Then if you go inside that gas station, you can see a double tap and also a quick revive poster on that wall. Last Easter egg that is pretty obvious to zombies is in the factory area. There's a pretty big warehouse, and there's a sign that talks about how many days of safety that they've had, and it says 115. There might be more Easter eggs that I didn't point out here. If you guys know of some, definitely message or comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.